There's a roof above me. I've a good place to sleep. There's food on my table. And shoes on my feet. You gave me your love and a fine family. Ready? This is the best part. Thank you, Lord, for touching on me. Good job. For your blessings on me. Good job, honey. So there's our parking spot. Now we just gotta spread it all out. This will be super nice. Oh, you good? Oh, you're good. Get back up, honey. You gotta watch your step, bud. You gonna climb over on these rocks? There you go, get back up. There you go, honey. So me and Toby spread about 1/4 of the gravel yesterday. Okay, probably less than that. And then Jarrod came home and finished the rest of it with the excavator. And that looks so good. So now we'll have a nice parking spot here around the driveway there. Yeah, this is gonna be great. He already ate his breakfast and he ate a ton. So I brought my breakfast outside. And he's just sitting here acting like he's never eaten before.
Toby, eat.
Hey, hey, that's my egg. There's pepper on there, so it might be a little spicy.
Hey, spicy. I like it.
You do like it? Do you want some of my egg?
Hold it.
Can I cut it for you?
That's bacon.
Yep, that's Mama's bacon.
Mine.
Here, you can have my egg. Hey, what do you tell me?
Your mama.
You're welcome.
Mine.
Oh, you don't want to share with Bandit because it's your egg? I see how it is.
Look at those ladies at work. Show off for the camera. Don't stop. Don't stop. All the way to the end.
Probably sprayed in the hole for Daddy.
Right here in the hole. No, in the hole.
In the hole for Daddy.
Right here, spray in the hole, please.
No. So we're getting 3 sheep next month, as well as 2 pregnant heifers. A couple of our friends are getting some cows for meat, and we offered for them to put them on our property because we love cows and it'd be fun to have them on our property. And so they're gonna be here next month, as well as our 3 little sheep. So this weekend the goal was to put up a cross fence and then start setting the posts for the lean-to off the back for sheep and for hay. And so our friends Mike and Carissa and Kyle came out and helped us with the cross fence up front. So we were able to get that done. But we'll have to wait till tomorrow till we can set the gate up because the posts are still setting. And so while Toby's taking a nap, we're gonna try to get the posts dug and set for the lean-to back here. And then hopefully we can start doing some structure before long. Toby's a little bit grumpy right now, so he has to be in the backpack because he insists that Mommy hold you. And we're trying to get some stuff done before the sun goes down completely. And so he's living it up in the backpack for now. Oh boy. So here we go.
Poster set. Poster set.
On to
Barbed wire.
Barbed wire.
Toby's happy. If not, electrical.
All right, let's try barbed wire.
Morning, folks.
Good morning. Sunday morning on our way to church.
Yep, what she said. We got our cross fence up. We poured the post holes, concrete. We dug the post holes and poured concrete in there and set the brackets, and we're gonna let those set the rest of the day. We're gonna go out to lunch with some friends from church, probably. And then after that we'll go home and change, and then we gotta go help my parents at my grandma's house, help them lift some stuff, and so we'll do that and then see if we have any extra time that we could work on something at the house.
Yesterday was tough a little bit for me because Toby was having a rough day, and so that made it kind of a rough day for me too. Sometimes, I was telling Jarrod last night, sometimes this year seems like it's gonna be a long year, but then I have to remember what was I gonna say?
At least we're doing it now when we're this age and not when we're older and we've got multiple kids. And
But what I was trying to say is this 1 year compared to as many years as the Lord may allow us to live on our property, this 1 year is going to be
the worst.
No, but it's gonna be so short compared, hopefully. So short. But I'm telling you, like, things feel like, progress is great and we're moving along quickly, and then you look and you're just like, oh. It's very overwhelming sometimes, but it's also very, very exciting. So Jarrod does really good with pressure and with being overwhelmed and stuff. It's mostly me that gets so overwhelmed from time to time. But it's hard having a little camp trailer and trying to be a homemaker in a camp trailer. I have a couple friends who are doing the same thing with living in a camp trailer at the moment, and I don't think they're having any easier of a time than I am. But it's fun, and most of the time it's an adventure, but a good one.
Oh, you say that you only get overwhelmed, but I do too, because like literally most of the work I have to do.
That's true.
And I only have Saturdays.
Yeah.
And weeknights. And weeknights I get off, it's dark by the time I get home. I kind of want to see my family a little bit.
That's what we were talking about last night, is at our first house, I was right there with them the whole entire time. There's only a couple times where I was like, I have to go to bed, because we would stay up till 2, 3 in the morning working on stuff, just hustling. And on the weekends, yeah. And now I can't do that, and it's so weird feeling like, because I like to be very involved in the renovation process, but it's weird this time around because, you know, I'm a mom now, and Toby's my priority, and sometimes I have to just sit down and watch a movie with him because he needs somebody to snuggle or something, and which I also enjoy that too, but it's really hard for me finding that balance. And I guess it's not even finding it, it's just whatever Toby allowed me to do. But yeah, and so I feel for Jarrod. He's got everything to do by himself, basically. I mean, there's a couple things I can do alone, but for the most part, he's got to do it all. So I feel for you, honey. You got a lot on your plate, and
I know. And then this morning you wake up and say, hey, the roof's leaking in the garage.
Okay, it's so hard though, because I literally sit here and think, should I tell him about a leak in the roof in the garage, or should I just let him find it himself? And so I sit there battling it.
Don't ever battle it. Tell me, because I'd be much more mad if
Okay.
you let it keep going, and then all of a sudden I haven't known about it, and the whole entire roof is rotten because you're like, I didn't want to tell you and stress you out.
So I did the right thing.
Yeah.
Okay, good. But it
Still doesn't make me happy. But
it's so hard being like, hey, when you get a second, can you fix the roof?
Yeah, I got nothing better to do.
It's crazy. Right now there's just so much going on though.
I would love to have like a month off of work.
Oh, careful what you
Especially
say.
this next month, because it's like peak season and everything.
It'll be a long time until we get to the maintenance. Part of living at a home. But everything we're doing now is maintaining
Not maintenance. We're in the maintenance process.
No, what do you call it though?
Upkeep.
Yeah.
No,
So like, instead of, coming home and having to do everything, for him to come home and fix the roof, a leak in the roof.
No. For me to come home and build a fire and sit by the fire with my family. That's what I'm excited for.
Well, yeah, but I'm saying, like, there's always going to be something. And there's always going to be something to fix. There's always going to be, I don't know, a gate to mend or something. And so, which I could do that myself, but yeah, but anyway, it's been really good, but I think yesterday just made it a little bit more real to me. So anyway, just being real with you guys. And so,
if any of you want to come help work, you're more than welcome to.
It's true. You're more than welcome to. Especially if you're an electrician.
No, I'm excited for the electrical, but I can't do it by myself. That's the issue.
And Toby can't be in there, and that's the other issue. So hopefully we can figure out when we can just put some time aside and just electrical morning to night and just knock a lot out. But yeah, so that's what's going on. So I think progress will be slightly on the slow side now, just because of the electrical. It's gonna be kind of tedious.
But I did yesterday get a whole entire new brand new wire, ran all the way to the breaker box and replaced the whole entire one, and then it goes into a big junction. They start going off, and one of those goes down the wall, but I need someone downstairs while I'm up in the attic so I can be pushing the wire while someone's pulling it, because it keeps getting hung up, and me going back and forth isn't working. I tried.
So tell me how you feel about the electrical. Like, are you Because at our old house, it was a mess. Like, it was a spider web of
So
disaster.
far, it seems fine. I need someone by my side. I didn't know that's a song. I just made it up. I just need someone to help me so that I can be up in the attic and they can be downstairs. And so while I'm pushing a wire, they can say, "Oh, I hear it. It's in the wall right here. Go into this plug." Compared to me pushing it and then coming downstairs and not seeing anything different and saying, now where was I up in the attic? And I found where I was, and I was at this plug, but then I could push it and pull it, but it gets hung up.
Could you bop it?
Huh?
Could you bop it?
Push it, pull it, twist it, bop it.
Meow, 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 meow.
Anyway, I wanted to bop it, that's for sure. So, wrap up, conclusion, I need help. Last night I was on a roll, and I was like, I'm gonna stay up super late and just get as much as done as I could. But then I couldn't find electrical tape, so I'm going to the store today to get electrical tape. And then I got up in the attic and I'm pushing this wire down through the wall to go down to try to pull it, and then it's hung up because there's so much wire bunched in the wall that it just gets kinked and stuff. And so I went back up, I pulled it to where I felt was straight, and yet pulled.
I thought you were wrapping this up.
I know. To wrap it up, I need some help.
Hopefully I'll be able to have someone watch Toby, and then I can be your helpmate. Are we headed to church?
No.
You look kind of grumpy, but you're not. You were just talking.
Get that camera out my face.
Back your face.
Can you tell me that you love me?
Hello.
Can you tell me that you love Jesus?
La la. Jesus.
Yeah. You love Daddy? You love Daddy?
Ready.
Ready!
Toby, I love you.
Yellow.
Watch it.
Do you think Daddy's cool? Is Daddy cool?
Oh, they been.
Oh, Daddy's spin. Oh. Is Daddy a ninja? Can you be a ninja?